I didn't think that I was going to make it. I'll never forget the moment that I thought of doing something creative for a living. I was so full of life with the idea that I could do something that didn't involve working in a crappy job. Then as time went by, with little success, I started to lose enthusiasm and thought that I was going to have to do the walk of shame back into the factory, a slave to the paycheck just to pay the bills, knowing well that I'm worth and capable of a lot more. That's right, I didn't think I was going to make it as a business owner. I was just about to head back to a job that I was well and truly over. Then, luckily, a friend gave me some information on how I could make a living from posting on social media. It was then that I thought, there's no way that I am setting foot in a job that is below me. And I haven't looked back since. In a way, I called my own bluff and manifested this into my life. I'm no longer going around in circles because I'm learning from professional business owners, creators, and educators. I'm no longer wasting time selling cheap products or buying stock worth thousands that will probably sit in my cupboard unsold. Because I've found something that can not only pay the bills, but can be beneficial to the well-being of us all. And here's my favourite part. I get to help and inspire others to follow their dreams, have a much better lifestyle, and have a creative, challenging, and soul-rewarding job. Now, I almost didn't make it, then realised that I do actually have a choice. And so does anybody that believes in themselves. It's never too late to make work a happy place. Thank you, Stan, for changing my life.